Good morning, YouTube community. So, I've been searching YouTube for how to get a vinyl gate post out of the ground because my unique predicament, well, it's probably not unique. Other people have run into this, I'm sure. That's why I'm doing this video, because I couldn't find a video that had this. So, what I want to do, my boat on the side yard. And the boat usually sat there in the driveway, taking up lots of space and not being particularly attractive. My side yard, however, I had gates across here. So, as you can see, we've got a regular fence over here, and right across here, I had a double gate here, and a man gate here, small one. And there they are. That's half the one gate and the small gate on behind it. But anyway, I would have to shoot my boat through this 10-foot wide opening, which is doable, but it's I don't have a lot of room to work with out here. Coming off the street, I got to get the boat way over here, and it's tearing up my lawn. So I decided I want to leave this piece of fence here to kind of hide the boat, remove this post and this piece of fence, and we're going to drop this all back to this part of the yard to go between the house and over to back to my neighbor's fence here. So basically moving this gate system back just the way it is. And since this post remains on the end, I bought a replacement to go back here. Anyway, case in point, this is a gate post, a double gate post. It has no holes. And I read all about, watched videos on YouTube about how to dig a hole deep on one side and tilt it and pop it out. Well, it's a 7-foot long, 5-inch post with concrete, and I was killing myself. And then I remembered, hey, I have this shop crane. So what I did is just use some rope and use that hinge as basically my locking point to keep it from that rope from slipping. And I'll tell you, if you've got access to a shop crane, or you can borrow one or rent one, it's the shit. Sorry if it's a little shaky because I'm pumping and videoing at the same time. So I had already dug around it and tried to do it the manual route. And then I'm watching, I go back to the computer and I'm looking at videos, and I'm like, I'm missing something here, because I was working my tail off trying to get this out. So it's just a Harbor Freight shop crane that I bought for actually taking the outboard off my boat. I'm going to be replacing the deck on that, but double duty. It is certainly worth the 75 bucks I paid used for it. And as you can see, it's practically new. So, just this one job alone, it has paid for itself, if you ask me. So, it's coming right on out. And you can see I just went, it was actually a mooring line for my boat. I went around, did a lasso, went up and around a couple times and around a couple half hitches, just to give me some extra strength so the rope didn't break. Spread the load out on the post, and this thing is actually filled with concrete. The installers filled the whole post with concrete. So it was pretty safe. I wasn't going to crush it. So then, I don't know if I could set this up somewhere. Anyway, now if I just grab the top and push down, I can swing that end over the hole, away from the hole, and set it down. So let me see if I can set this up somehow. You can see what's going on. So now I can swing that over, let off on the pressure, land that side, lay it right down. Boom. And she's out. So anyway, YouTube community, I hope that helps you. It certainly made my life a lot easier today. I hope it helps yours.